American Bright offers easy-to-use, flexible lighting solutions for almost any application. Tape or strip lights are built on a highly flexible substrate and provide the greatest mounting freedom. Rope lights add a diffusing layer that emits light more evenly throughout the length of the rope to eliminate hotspots, with top and side emitting options as well as a 5mm wide variant. A trimmable chip-on-board style rope light is also available with high luminous output and no hotspots. American Bright tape and rope lights are UL listed and offered with protection levels from IP20 to IP68, making them an ideal solution for indoor and outdoor uses. Designers can select single or multicolor lights, including various white color temperatures, bicolor, RGB, RGBW, and addressable RGB options for applications that require different colors or color changing effects. Strip lights and rope lights operate from 5, 12, or 24 volt supplies for compatibility with low voltage controllers and systems. Lights can be ordered in lengths from a few inches to over 30 feet, and American Bright can create custom products to meet exact application requirements. Learn more at AmericanBrightLED.com.